The dawn is back. The dawn is back. And ladies and gentlemen, the Bitcoin price has seen an absolutely tumultuous decline. Are the Moon Boys about to be in for much more downside action? Or could we possibly be finding support right here inside this red box range? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you would know that I have not uploaded here over the past 2 weeks. And quite frankly, folks, the reasoning for that is that the Dawn needed a break. The Dawn needed some time off to recalibrate, re-energize, and get back on the horse. So giddy up, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy, because the Dawn is back. And we need to analyze this dump in the price right here, right now. So we're not going to do anything crazy here today, folks, as there really isn't that much to look at, in my opinion. We saw Bitcoin break to a new all-time high. And what happened? Whoopsies, a drop deep down into the crypto abyss. I mean, this is a pretty sick correction, folks. If we take it from top to bottom, it's roughly about a 21% drop. Now, this is along the lines of what I've been stating on this channel for quite some time. It's very possible that right now we are still seeing large bag holders, aka whales, taking liquidity into consideration when they're looking to sell their bags. What this means is that when we see an event in the market, such as a break to a new all-time high, we are seeing large holders take advantage of that occurrence and selling off into the momentum, into the part of the trend where we see tons of buy orders stack up in order for them to be able to sell off large holdings without dumping the price too far. And then at the end of it, you get your little panic sellers, little Jimmy out there, I'm selling my Bitcoins, we lost support. Right down here, you start to see retail dump the price more, but it's very possible that we're still seeing large whales taking liquidity into consideration when they're looking to offload their bags. And the reason I wanted to bring that up first is because this range here, basically all the way from about 64,000 down to about 59,000, in my opinion, this range had the potential to be an absolutely huge support range, right? Break to a new all-time high, dump down into this range, hold, and look to move to another new all-time high. But that didn't happen, which in my opinion means that there just wasn't that much interest from a buy perspective inside this range. Now, that's concerning to me because if we flip the volume on and go over to the weekly time frame, I just want to point out the fact that we have been in an overall downtrend in terms of volume over the past, I mean, almost a year at this point. Really, since January of 2021, we have seen the macro trend of the volume here on a steady decline. And right now, to me, this is possibly, keyword possibly, an absolute warning shot fired. And the reason for that is that we can see these large dumps occur seemingly out of nowhere, because if the volume is not there, if the buyers aren't there at ranges where, hey, old resistance could now possibly flip into new support, and we're not seeing that, this is showing that this trend could possibly be weak. Now, we are going to discuss what could happen down here in this red box range in a moment, because I do think it could be bullish. But folks, seeing the Bitcoin price lose this level here, it's not good in my opinion, because what we wanted to see, as I just stated, was this turn into support and then we look to rip. But now that we've lost it, if we test back up, it now has the possibility to become new resistance, right? Old resistance was looking to possibly turn into new support. Now, old resistance failed as support and is now looking to possibly become resistance once again. Let's get this crypto. So right now, folks, for me, keep your eye on this 59 to 59K area as possible resistance. I know that that's not what these Moon Boys want to hear, but that's what we have inside the chart right now. What we have to discuss in a moment, though, is what could happen down here. But first, If you're brand new, welcome to the show. But if you've been around a while, I hope that you're happy that I'm back. I hope that if you've celebrated, you had a great holiday weekend. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for the Don coming back. Give it a thumbs up. And if you're brand new, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the channel. Let's go. So let's talk about this red box range. I mean, this is the range that I've been preaching all along is where we could possibly see Bitcoin correct down to. All of the moon boys were getting so upset with me, ladies and gentlemen. This guy, wrong again. He said we could go to 53,000 and then there was a green candle. Kirby, I saw a green candle. You was wrong. These people are absolutely dim in the head, ladies and gentlemen. If there were a light bulb inside their cranium, it'd be pitch black in there. Let's get this crypto. The thing is here is that we can't ever know exactly what's going to happen in this market. But what we can do is identify areas of interest. And the macro trend right now shows that we have a ton of interest within this range, right? For me, it's between 53K to 51K. As it stands right now at the time of recording, we did see the Bitcoin price drop down into the mid 53K range. Now, folks, right, so up here, I was saying the same thing. If we break this level of support around 59K, if we broke that, the target for me was 53 to 51K. We boom up, all the moon boys, see, Kirby, you! And then what happens, folks? Whoopsies, get wrecked, you filthy miscreant degenerates. Okay? The Don has to take one right there, folks. It's an easy one. Golf claps for the Don. Thank you. Thank you. Moon boys, what did I tell you? Over and over again. That this market had a high probability to possibly drop back down to this box. We dropped there. Now the question is, do we continue to drop? For possible support, keep your eyes on the prize here. Look at all of this confluence dating all the way back into January of 2021 and most recently here in September at our last huge macro swing high before our push to the first new all-time high. Old resistance here could possibly look to become new support here. If it doesn't, we're going to have some trouble, in my opinion, because just like this box up here could possibly be new resistance, if we lose this box here could possibly look to become new resistance, and we could be forming a macro downtrend. But we don't have that yet, and until proven otherwise, I still think that this drop has the potential to be very bullish before we could possibly push to another new all-time high. Let's get this crypto. Just real talk here today, folks. No sugarcoating. You know, on this channel, I never sugarcoat. I'm just telling it straight. And just to cover all of the bases here, if we are to lose this red box, okay, that's definitely a warning shot fired for me. But we still do have these two yellow trend lines here. You see these two, right? If we drop below that box, look for possible support around 48 to 50K. And again here between 46,000 and 48,000. All right, these would be the saving grace zones. I mean, those are our last ditch effort, in my opinion, to keep this massive parabolic trend alive. We really want to see Bitcoin hold above 51,000. I've told you all along that the target for downside action was 53 to 51K. We already hit 53.6K. Take it for what you will. Did the Don get it or did the Don not get it? Everybody that follows this channel will say, yes, Don, you got it. You nailed it. All of the degenerates. This guy said it was going to 53. It went to 53.6. You! Well, little Jimmy, you stay on that high horse, my friend. You keep eating those moon boyos and sipping out of that little sippy cup, Jimmy. Let's get this crypto. I just wanted to say, folks, that the Don is back. And right now I am looking to potentially crush this next market move in whichever way it breaks. So if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that, of course, I will be keeping you up to date with that exclusively in VIP. So if you're not already in my VIP, consider joining. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And I'll save this for the next stream, so again, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you do not miss my next upload. But folks, here on the S&P 500 chart, we are seeing a massive break of this multi-month trend line, which started all the way back in May of 2021. This could be very telling of the times here that risk-on assets are seeing possible weakness. We're going to discuss this more on the next stream. We're also seeing the US dollar index here, the DXY, absolutely blasting off. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been shouting from the rooftops here on this channel that we could be in a bullish W pattern formation, right? But all of the brainless Moonboy cult members, printer go burr, Kirby, printer go burr. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, printer goes burr. You know what happens? Whoopsies! The US dollar index rises because it's relative to other world fiat currencies that also go burr. Just because it go burr doesn't mean that the DXY has to crash into the abyss. And we should all know that the US dollar index and the Bitcoin price has had an eerie correlation over the past several years. This massive downturn was the huge 2017 Bitcoin bull run. This massive downturn here was the huge epic 2020/2021 Bitcoin bull run. So now, with the price rising, one could speculate that this is not looking good for the Bitcoin market / cryptocurrency market as a whole. The last time that we saw a sustained uptrend for the US dollar index, we saw a bear market for Bitcoin and crypto, just putting it on your radar. We still also have several gaps here on the Bitcoin CME futures chart, but we'll get to that on the next stream as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to make this a quick one here today. I hope you all enjoyed. I will be back. Maybe I'm not posting every day, but maybe every other day, every several days, whatever it is, as the action unfolds, the Don will be back. But of course, the best place to keep up to date with everything from me is in VIP. I will keep you up to date there exclusively in real time with all of my real-time entry ideas, trade setup ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that. So consider joining today, because today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's go. And folks, until next time, if you could one last time, thumbs up for the algorithm, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you get the notification for my next stream. Seriously, do that right now. And until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.